This video didn't save last time, so quick and concise. 13-pound monitor. And this is rated for 13 pounds, it says on the listing. If we lift this up, it falls. It's mounted securely. And overall, the cable management is really nice. You can punch out holes here for really nice cable management. It's a really nice arm. If your monitor is like 12 pounds or less. Because this is 27-inch and it's just not working. I'm gonna grab a bungee cord for this, I guess. So buy it if you're well under the maximum.
都一样，鸡翅还有分哪种好吃吗？我感觉都一样。你拿去泡水，要不然它解冻很慢的。
你看，应该开动一次呀。
Loving someone to supply it with a snap of my finger. I'm about to nominate you. I believe my intuition's guiding me on a greater mission, but recently I'm so caught up in what I see.